Hey guys, it's Katie here. Today I'll be showing you our KISS-209s, okay? So these are going to be a 6-inch pleaser. So you can see, beautiful little box. Sexier than ever, that's definitely how I feel when I'm wearing these. And you'll see why. If I open it up, I always love the red. You can see that, I love red. They always do have your little drawstring bag, okay, which is awesome for protection of your shoes. These ones are individually wrapped, okay, so it does keep the shoe itself nice and safe. Beautiful. Now, you might just think they're black, but look at this. Beautiful rhinestones in there. Beautiful reflection off the ground as well, especially when it is sunny. So hopefully when I take you outside, you'll be amazed by these little rhinestones. Little packaging just here keeps the shoe nice and safe. Another little bag. Just take that one off. Take this one out. I'll pop the box just over here. And again, how beautiful is that? Not only are they stunning, you do have that nice soft sole in here as well. So on your foot it won't feel like you're walking on cement. Okay, it'll be nice like you're walking on the clouds. We all love that. Now, they do have little buckles which makes it really nice and easy to take on and off. Okay. So we just undo it, like so, undo this part, and I'll pop it on for you. Do it up like that. Sometimes it might be a little bit harder to do it when it is brand new because obviously they haven't been worn if they're straight out of the package. But when you wear them a couple times, it'll be super easy to take them on and off. Just like that. How stunning is that part? You can hear they're all individual. How beautiful. I'd love to hear your comments and your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Because I love them. I want to know if you guys do. So stunning. Being that I wear high heels all the time, these are little baby heels for me, but they are awesome. Have a look at there. How stunning is that? Can you see all the little reflections? How beautiful. Now, let me see if the sun is out outside, and hopefully we can show you all those little glittery bits, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the little bell as well, okay? You'll get notified for all of our videos. Oh, good luck. Look here. The sun is out. Can you guys see that? Oh, it's a bit windy. Let me see. We walk over here. I'll show you just over here where we've got a little bit more sunlight before it disappears. Oh, stunning. Can you see it on the ground? How beautiful is that? I hope the sun doesn't go away like it has been over the past couple of days. These are so comfortable. It's what you want, especially if you're going to be wearing these out in that nice gown with that nice cute outfit that you've been planning for the whole week. That's what I do anyways. How can you not think that's amazing? How gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click on the little bell if you want to be notified for all of those new videos, okay? Nice and easy to take off as well. Okay. Don't forget, leave us all of your feedback. We want to know what you think of these beautiful shoes, okay? I'll see you next time. Bye!